Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. It's time for another Eric Blackmon Guitar subscriber giveaway. This time, we're giving away a very cool and collectible lunchbox celebrating the Fender Stratocaster's 60th anniversary. This loaded lunchbox is chock full of all sorts of guitar goodies. Let's see what's inside. An eMusic School of Cool flex fit baseball cap, just like the one that I wear to work each and every day, autographed by yours truly. A Fender Flash Dark USB rechargeable clip-on guitar tuner. A Gentleman's Hardware Face the Music number 12 harmonica. A pack of my favorite electric guitar strings. A pack of my favorite acoustic strings. A string winder and some guitar picks. So without further ado, we have a winner. And the winner is Subcultural. Congratulations! And a special thanks to all who entered the drawing. Because of past and unforeseen problems with international giveaways and shipping, this item ships only to the USA. The prize must be claimed within 30 days of drawing end or be forfeited for use in future drawings. Stay tuned for more amazing tutorials and future drawings. And thanks for watching Eric Blackmon Guitar.